Hello guys, today I will show you this Wurkkos flashlight that recently launched. This is TS26S. As you can see, this is TS26S. It's a black color. LED chip is 519A. The color temperature is 5000 Kelvin. As you can see, this is specification. Echo is 3 lumen, low 30, medium 200, high 750 lumen. And the turbo is 3100 lumen. It's rated 2 ampere charging current and discharging. The voltage is 5 volt, 30 watt of power. IPX8 rated, 191 meter beam. This is the beam distance. This flashlight have a constant boost driver, which means as the battery voltage goes down, this will maintain the output, the light output. Comes like this. This is a little bit of information about removing the battery cover, battery protective insulator, or what. This is the user manual, lanyard, USB-C to USB-A, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and the flashlight. This is a very nice flashlight, as you can see. Wurkkos TS26S. It's a top mounted on-off switch. This have a little logo inside, as you can see. It lights up when you charge it on and when the light is on. This have a pocket clip and USB charging port. The charging port is USB-C. It's fast charge compatible, and you can use this as power bank, and you can charge your phone or headset or other electronic equipment. These have 4 LED chips with the diffuser. These have 90 CRI, which means the color temperature is quite correct when you light it onto objects. So have a little bit protective, and this one comes with 5000 milliamp per hour 21700 lithium-ion battery. It's unprotected, as you can see. So have a O-ring. It's quite strong spring inside there. This comes with magnet, so you can see. You can use it, when you're checking your car or something else. Push and hold, it goes to moonlight, 3 lumen. Push and hold again, low. Push and hold again, medium. Push and hold again, high. And then this cycle repeats. When it's off, double click goes to high, I mean turbo. Triple click goes to strobe, sorry, strobe warning. And 4 click, this will lock, as you can see. Still turns on if you push and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light screen. Let me show you that you can use you can charge other phones or something like that. As you can see, it's 5-volt output, and I have a small battery charger, and I'm going to use this to charge. It's red when it's got charging. When it's complete, it will be gone. Yeah, that's it. I will go outside and show you the beam throw. Yeah. Now I'm outside. I'm going to show you the beam throw of this light. It's low, medium, high, and through, as you can see. I do like the color of the light. It's 90 CRI, as you can see. A very nice light. There's have a lot of throw. It's an EDC, but still have enough throw. Yeah, this is the light. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this review. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Have a nice day, evening, or morning. Bye.